Greetings everyone. Today we are going to see how to add and subtract surd. In our previous video, we have seen how to simplify surd and how to write it as a square root of a single number. Now today we are going to add and subtract surd. Now let's see the example. We are asked to simplify this. So this is root 18 plus 2 root 2. Now I'm going to simplify this 18, which is 18 can be written as 9 times 2 plus 2 root 2. Now this one I can further break it down or separate them as root 9 times root 2 plus 2 root 2. Now square root of 9 is what? 3. And 3 times root 2 will give me 3 root 2 plus 2 root 2. When you look at them, you can see that this is 3 root 2 and this is 2 root 2. They have like surd. There is root 2 here and there is root 2 there. So they have what? Like surd. Like if it is algebra, you now see they have like terms. So they have like what? Surd. So I'm going to factor out. This is 3 plus 2 root 2. So once they have like surd, you do what? You either add or subtract. But if they don't have like surd, do not add. Leave your answer like this. But since they have like surd, I'm going to add their coefficient, which is 3 plus 2. And 3 plus 2 will give me what? 5. 5 what? Root 2. I hope it's clear. Now coming to this place, I have 3 root 7 plus 2 root 7. So they have like what? Surd, which is what? Root 7 and root 7. So I'll factor out 3 plus 2 root 7. And 3 plus 2 give me what? 5 root 7. Very easy. I hope it's clear. Now let's solve this one. I have 4 root 45 minus 3 root 5. Now I'm going to simplify this 45 further. So I have 4 times root 45 is the same thing as 9 times 5 minus 3 root 5. Now 4 times, I'm going to separate them. Root 9 times root 5 minus 3 root 5. 4 times square root of 9 will give me what? 3 times, this one does not have a whole number as square root, so I'll bring it down, minus 3 root 5. In this place, there's nothing to simplify again. Now 4 times 3 will give me what? 12. And 12 times root 5 will give me 12 root 5 minus 3 root 5. When you look at it, you will see that they have like surd. Root 5, root 5. So I'm going to factorize. This is 12 minus 3 into root 5. And 12 minus 3 will give me what? 9. So I have 9 what? 9 root 5. I hope it's clear. Now let's solve more question. I have 5 root 6 minus 2 root 3 minus 2 root 6 plus 4 root 3. Now when you look at it, you can see this is root 6, and this is root 3. So I'm going to collect like surd. So when I collect like surd, I'll have 5 root 6. I'll bring this one minus 2 root 6 plus 4 root 3 minus 2 root 3. So since this one have the same surd, root 6 root 6, I'm going to do what? Subtract. So this is 5 minus 2 root 6 plus 4 minus 2 root 3. And 5 minus 2 will give me what? 3 root 6 plus 4 minus 2 will give me what? 2 root 3. I cannot go further because this is root 6 and this is what? Root 3. They are not what? Like surd. So I will leave my answer like this. I'm solving more example. I have root 48 plus 4 root 90 minus 2 root 40 plus root 27. Now simplifying this is the same thing as 16 times 3 plus 4 times root 90 will also give me 9 times 10 minus 2 times root 40 will give me 4 times 10 plus root 27 will give me 9 times 3. Now I'm going to separate them. This is root 16 times root 3 plus 4 times root 9 times root 10 minus 2 times root 4 times root 10 plus root 9 times root 3. Now square root of 16 is what? 4 times root 3, because root 3 does not have a whole number as square root, plus 4 times root 9 is 3 times root 10 minus 2 times root 4 is what? 2 times 10 plus root 9 is 3 times 3 times root 3. This one does not have a whole number as square root. So 4 times root 3 will give me 4 root 3 plus 4 times 3 times root 10 will give me 12 root 10 minus 2 times 2 times root 10 will give me 4 root 10 plus 3 times root 3 will give me 3 root 3. Now looking at this, we have root 10, root 10, root 3, root 3. So we now collect like surd. So I have 4 root 3 plus 3 root 3 plus 12 root 10 minus 4 root 10. Now since root 3 and root 3 are like surd, I have to add this one, and 4 times 3 will give me what? 7 root 3. Now coming to this place, plus I have root 10, so I have to subtract. 12 plus 12 minus 4 will give me what? 8 root 10. And since root 3 and the root 10 are not like surd, I will leave my answer like this. So I hope it's clear.